So you might be in a situation where for some reason Microsoft Outlook is just not working for you. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. Now, the number one reason why something like this could end up happening is usually because of some internet connection problem. So the first thing I'd recommend doing here is to go inside of your iPhone settings, Android settings, PC, Mac, whatever you have, and just double check your Wi-Fi connection and your internet connection. That is by far one of the easiest ways to go and fix this problem. So just go through and make sure that's not the issue that you're having. Like I said, for a majority of people, that might be the problem. So go through, double check that, and that's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing here. Now, if that doesn't end up working, the next thing you might want to make sure is to see what issue you're having within Microsoft Outlook. Is it a Wi-Fi connection problem? Is it just a server issue? Whatever error you can see. It seems like it's just like a generic error, it's like an older error. What you can also try doing is going inside of your App Store, your Microsoft Store, wherever you can go, and essentially try updating Microsoft Outlook. Sometimes it will all just take a little bit of an update, and that might end up fixing the problem for you, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing for you as well. So try updating it, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it as well. If that doesn't end up doing it, what I'd recommend doing here is going over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, one of those types of websites. And these websites will basically show you the servers that are basically up and down. So all you're going to have to do here is basically see, like if Microsoft is down, it's going to look something like this. So all you're really going to have to do here is basically just wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So if it shows Microsoft, but it shows spikes like this, or if it shows a massive spike here and there, like something like this, you might just have to go through and just wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So that's basically the main way to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.